Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create age checker using Microsoft Visual Basic 6 or Classic Visual Basic. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Microsoft Visual Basic 6 is one of the most popular programming tool. Even though right now it is already 2022, but still this programming tool, Microsoft Visual Basic 6 or Classic VB6 or Classic Visual Basic for some, is still being used in a wide variety of application development. Even in school, there are some school until now they are still teaching Microsoft Visual Basic 6. One of the good things about this language is that it is easy to learn, and then it does not require high system requirements. An old computer, Pentium or dual core computer can run Visual Basic 6 at a very fast loading and execution of the program. Okay, so I'm using here Basic 6 32-bit, but I'm running Windows 10 64-bit. So we have here a form, and then a label, and then the text box. In our label, we have here give your age, and then the text box, and then we have here 3 buttons: OK, clear, and quit. Now in the OK button, we will have some code. So here I have here a variable age as integer. So age val text 1.text. So normally our text box here is just accepts only string. So if text1.text equals space, then message box cannot be empty. Try again. VB information result in text focus. Now when we run our program and then we have a blank here, when I click the OK button, it will display this message box informing the user that the text box is empty and it requires an input value from the user. That is the purpose of the code. Let us continue. If age less than 18 years old, then the age of 18 at the age of whatever it is, you are still a minor if the age is less than 18. Legal age here in the Philippines is 18 and above. Set focus. This text one that set focus will go the cursor to the text box. Else, if equal or above 18, you are already an adult. Less than, you are still a minor. Okay, so we set focus. And if okay, so if we go with the clear button, we have here text1.text set focus also to clear. And then when we want to end our program with, we simply have the end command in Microsoft Visual Basic 6. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code. Okay, let us run. Give your age. Let's say we have 6. Click OK. At the age of 6, you are still a minor. Okay, at the age of 6. At the age of 6 years old, you are still a minor. At the age of years old, okay, we add some text. Let us run again. Assuming that the age is 45 years old, click OK. At the age of 45 years old, you are already an adult. Click clear. If it is blank, it will create an error here. Let's say the age is 12. Click OK. At the age of 12 years old, you are still a minor. Clear. At the age of 80 years old, you are already an adult. Clear. At the age of 100, at the age of 100 years old, you are already an adult. And then let's say 4 years old. At the age of 4 years old, you are still a minor. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create age checker in Microsoft Visual Basic 6 or Classic Visual Basic, or some it is called VB6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.